Hey, good morning. This is an update on the land we bought last year. It's been a little over a year, and we've kind of cleared this off and made this, part of our yard, I guess, effectively. But we've got this in the front here. It used to be obviously this whole thing was fenced off, and this is what was left of the little cattle fence that was here. But I think we're gonna pull the posts out, maybe leave some of the trees. What I'm thinking I want to do is, of course, remove the barbed wire, take out the T-post, and just give myself the ability to zigzag in and out, like up and down this way as I'm mowing, coming between the trees, because during the summer, this bushes up so bad, it's really hard to maintain. I'm not going to get rid of all the trees yet. Eventually, I'd like to, got a lot of work to do, but once we get we started a little fence up there next to the Grand Cherokee there. Once get that run all the way down here. That's going to be a while to get all that done all the way down here, but that's where I'd like to be, is have that type of fence in front. But now I'm just to the point of wanting to remove the post and get this cleaned up. I'll put the blade on the weed eater on the still and get it all cleaned up, and probably go ahead and clean up off into there a little bit, kind of carry the cleared area a little more down into the woods. My ultimate goal here is to get all this cleared up to I want to be able to see that big tree and kind of have it unobstructed from all this little brush and crap up in front of it there. All right, guys, I love these blades. I'm not sponsored by Spider. I didn't get this free. I bought these at Lowe's, but I love the way, you got, of course, something flying around on there, but you got one side, you just got multiple different number of teeth, so I can flip that over and have a completely different cut. Now I'm just going to come up here and cut I got the barbed wire kind of running up in around some of that, so I'm going to cut the smaller piece off of that tree there. And this is what I was trying to avoid, a big tangled mess of barbed wire, but oh well. I'm getting there. As you can see, I've already made some pretty good progress all the way down. I think there's still, yeah, I got a couple of wires still in part of it there. I'm not sure sure how well you can see it on here, but making progress. Alright, you see that I did get all the barbed wire moved. Got a couple of the strands spooled up there, but I got, but there's three strands running over there into the edge of the woods. I'll have to come back and do that. But yeah, all in all, we got this cleaned up a little bit. And a couple of the posts were just rotting in the ground, of course, but I need to come back and pull up the T-post and these other posts that are in there a little more solid. So I'm going to go grab the tractor and pull them up with the loader real quick. And that's it for this time, guys. Thanks for watching. Please go out and punch that subscribe button. Yeah, always doing some type of work out in the yard. You guys have a great one.